Hey guys, guess what? I found a new market. It's called a Thrive Market. It's only online and it gets delivered to your doorstep and it's fantastic. All right. So you're going to want to stay tuned for the video because I'm making a review and how you could get discounts, how you're going to save a lot of money on organic food. That's right. It's organic food. All right. It's not regular food. It's organic. So that means not everything is natural. You're going to get beauty products and you can get supplements. All right. At a discounted price. So again, this is online only. It's delivery. So you don't have to worry about the coronavirus. It comes delivered very clean to your doorstep. All food is not expired. Trust me, I ordered before. It's great food, great organic food, natural food that you don't want to miss. And right now you get a $24 value for free. All right. So that means free. You don't have to pay anything except buy a membership or just try it out with again free shipping if you order more than $35, right? So free ship over $25, which is even better. All right. Again, a membership is only $60, but you could get a monthly membership for $5. Again, if you buy the membership, I'll get credit for it, and it'll benefit me and my channel, right? Plus, I could buy more food, so I could keep living healthier, right? Now, let me show you a little bit about the diets, all right? Those people who actually go for diets, you guys already know your specific diet plan, and you might be also picky about what you eat, right? Like some people are only vegetarian. You can actually pick vegetarian. You could go vegan. You could go raw if you want to go raw, or you could go paleo or ketogenic diets, right? So if you guys know about the diets, you can actually click a diet plan right there, and I'll show you all the types of foods, or the whole site will rearrange everything for you, right? Or you could go organic, like me. I'll go organic, so I get all the natural organic foods. Like you've seen my videos, you could go to a farmer's market, get nothing but organic, but right here you can find it as well. All right. So everything that comes, you could shop by category, and I'll rearrange the whole website. Just rearranges everything a lot easier for you, right? So like this one says Thrive Organic extra virgin olive oil, right? So if you want to cook something with extra with olive oil that's organic, that means it's natural, no additives, no ingredients, no other preservatives, everything but organic straight from the plant, then you can buy this, right? Because obviously, if you go to the supermarket and you buy things that are not organic, they might put other ingredients that you don't know, other chemicals that makes it not healthy, right? And you put that on your body, and you got to understand that whatever you put in the body is going to help you out survive and live better, right? Especially during this time for coronavirus, right? So that's why I want to show you guys this website with this review about Thrive Market, so it actually teach you guys what options you got in the market, right? So you can buy things healthier for your friends, for your family, for yourself. Most importantly, again, this coronavirus, you need to stay healthy at your top. Your immune system has to grow healthier so you can actually survive, right? So you also got shoes right here. It says organic. You got organic vanilla extract. So let's say if you want just a vanilla extract, if you know about your ingredients, you could find out coconut amino sauce, extra sauces. You got a whole bunch of things, right? You could check right here if you want Bath and Body supplements, which is an amazing thing, and it's organic. I'll show you guys in the future right now in a minute. You can find new things. You can find beauty things, things for your kids, things for even your pet, for your home. And if you want meat or seafood that's organic, right? Again, it's all packaged. I'll highly recommend this honey. This honey is great. You should try it. Other things like you get tomato sauce is natural. You want to miss it. It's great. Coconut oil is great. Everything is great. You can't miss it. If you want extra sauces, extra things you want to try out, you find new things in this website that you never seen it before, right? I seen coconut oil, coconut water, I seen tomato juice, I seen olive oil, olive water, you name it. It's a lot of things. So it's all great. You could just refine, but if you want no GMO, if you want low sugar, if you want diet free, if you want it just keeps going on, right? Everything's specific, everything's diet wise, everything's health wise, so everything's even better for you as health to be healthy, right? Again, if you want to go recyclable, if you want made in USA, if you want to go certified organic, and so on, so on, so on, even by brands, right? So like I said, this is great. It's really cheap. You save 52% off the total value, which is great. And I'll show you guys a little bit more about the price, right? This website saves you up to like 30%, 38%, 40%, 70% off the market, right? Well, so you get it cheaper than Amazon, you get it cheaper than Walmart, you get it cheaper than any other store that you go walk in to actually purchase it, right? Now, again, in the future, you might be able to pay with this with your EBT. They're still trying to get that accepted, get that passed. But for now, it's only obviously credit card, debit card. You pay online. But if you do have an EBT card, you could get this membership for free, right? So that's a good thing. And if you don't, you can always buy it. I'll give you 25% off. Plus, I'll give you a free gift for $24 value that's going to benefit you and it's going to benefit me, right? I get paid if you buy the membership. You can buy it for $60 a year, which is the whole year, which is great. Again, free shipping over orders 25, or you could get a $5 shipping, $5 monthly price, which is also great, right? Just if you want to go monthly about it, you don't have to go pay the full year. You just pay monthly. And to begin, you can also get a 30 month for 30 months free, right? It's a trial. So you also get other things that you see right here, the tab. You can go vitamins and supplements. You can go food, meat and seafood. You can go meals. And again, you could go wine. They do sell wine, alcohol wine. Again, you have to be 21 and older for that. They sell supplements, which is the great thing, which is the mainly attraction why I actually came to this site. It gives me supplements like such as protein, collagen, and probiotics, right? You could go beauty supplies, you could different type of cosmetics that are actually vegan and non-toxic. Go Bath and Body, type of soaps, type of shampoo, you'll find them right here. You could go for babies and kids, also things you want are organic so they won't get infected if they are allergic to something. Basic things you find at home. Even for your pet, which is even great. If your pet doesn't, you want to keep your pet healthier than most of the time. Most things that are on the market, in the market now has very specific things about pets. They usually just mix them up and put them for sale. With this one, you can actually find organic things right for sale. Now, if you want to go new, you find things in the new. Just select the category here on the left. But like I said, this is great. I'll send you. Also, if you could choose right here, let's say where it says food, you'll find blogs, you find forums, you find recipes, so you can actually enjoy making them at home and learn new things as you go, right? So let's select meat and seafood to begin with, the first tab. So this is the meat and seafood page, right? As you see, you can actually buy beef. You can build your own bundle. You can get holiday bundles. You can go pork, poultry, or seafood, right? Different categories. You can see right here. This means you build your own box with your own ingredients and your own categories. So you select different kinds of pork, different kinds of beef, chicken, salmon, fish, you name it, all right? Bread, you name it. It's pretty simple, pretty good. You pick one. Let's say this one, for example, is Kenogenics, it's First Light Wagyu beef box. So it's about only 6 pounds. Which is great. It got a star review of 4.5 stars out of 70 reviews. So I mean, people liked it. You see pictures right here. I mean, it's amazing. It gives you examples. All you do for this price of $170, you actually create it, right? Create your like I said, you create your categories. You type of meat, and you get a description right here on the side, which is all the if it's grass fed or anything that is good about it, right? So I mean, you could read a little bit more about it depending on what kind of thing it is. Like this one says pasture raised in New Zealand, which means New Zealand is one of the healthiest countries we have. And it comes packed like this, right inside the box. All you gotta do is take it out, create it, grill it, prepare it, and you even have recipes to actually create what's in the picture, right? So I mean, it's great. Check it out. See what's in the box. It comes with all that inside the box, and you don't have to worry about anything, right? So you just make it at home, enjoy it, and that's it. You're eating healthy. Again, every item is unique because every item gets, let's say, Thrive cashback, right? So Thrive cashback. Let's say if you go to supplements, I'm gonna show you guys right here, right now. Supplements, like in this page of sports and nutrition. Like supplements right here, and it says sports and nutrition. You could get any type of thing, like it says collagen, herbs. You just look at it, vitamin C, vitamin A, all the vitamins. If you think that's healthy, if you want to go healthier, you could get it in powder, or you could get it in actual in food. Just choose it, and pick whatever you think is healthiest, right? The thing about this website that makes it so unique, you actually get Thrive cashback, which means, let's say if you select one, and it says right here on the top, it says Thrive cashback. That means when you buy it, if it's 10%, you get 10% back added to your Thrive account, which means in the future orders, you can actually use it to actually buy something else, right? Like this one says Ultimate Replenisher, right? It's a lemonade drink. Let's click on it. It's an electrolyte, which is very healthy. It gives you boost with energies, and it's on sale right now. You get it $25.49. It's 35% off. It used to be $30, but it's super great. You get a different type of flavors. You see the key values, gives you the description of the ingredient. You could check on the ingredients. You could check on the more ingredients, see what it actually contains, and you can even zoom in, right? Obviously. So it gives you Thrive cashback, and what it means when you get Thrive cashback, again, you save it in your Thrive account, and you can actually use it in your future order. So let's say this one you earned it was what, $25 and you get 10% back. We'll say you just get $1 back, right? You get $1 back, it accumulates in your account, and you can use it in future orders, right? Whether it's by shipping or by future items, it's a great price, right? Great deal. Plus, if you subscribe to usual like monthly or bi-weekly orders, so let's say if you order that product every week or every month, you can get an extra 5 to 10% off, right? Like I said, it's great. Beauty section is great, 10% off. You find beauty balm, you find hair oil, you find hemp oil, you find all types of different type of oils, right? Peppermint lip balm, you find chapstick, you can find it. So yeah, 10% cash back is great, especially with collagen. So let's say if you want to work out, you want to get protein powder, you can just go ahead, go on top, type in protein powder. Once you type it in, you're seeing different examples, different products, different items you can actually get protein powder, right? Like this one, for example, is grass fed. Everything's natural. You don't have to go to GMC. You don't have to go anything other different type of ingredients and additives. This is all natural, organic, vegan. Most of all, if you want to get the extra protein in your system and stay completely healthy, this is the website you have to check. And again, you'll get things that on sale. You'll get things like Thrive Cashback, like this one, for example, multi-collagen, Thrive Cashback, you get 10% back. This one again, 10%, and it's a big tub, cashback, right? 2-pound tub for $45. It's not bad. You get a vanilla, you get in chocolate, use it, Plant Fusion, should be organic. Check it out. They also have their own certain brands. So Thrive actually has their own certain brands right here, which is also great, so you don't have to worry about it that much. They're completely professional, and everything will be healthy. Another thing right here, you'll see starter kits. If you want to start your journey, let's say you could buy one for $45. Each starter kit lets you add 7 items that are in the starter kit, such as this right here. Now you could obviously you could pick all of them. If you don't want one, you can actually replace them and pick something else, right? So I mean, it's great, good value. You won't be disappointed. Again, you can actually what's it called? Again, you can actually get it for free. It's only $60 the membership. I'll tell you a little bit about it. How does it work? You just buy it online, get it shipped to your house. $60 a year, one-time fee. You get free deliveries over $25. Right to your doorstep, right? You get a bunch of discounts. You save a lot of more money inside your Thrive Cashback, and you're going to be able to purchase it in the future, right? Now, I'll make more reviews of what I actually ordered. So if you want to stay tuned, go ahead and subscribe and share the replays. Share with your friends, because I'm going to get you more discounts that you're not going to regret, such as getting discounts from Walmart, getting discounts from Amazon, and getting discounts even from alcohol, such as this one from wine, and real vodka bottles like $4 off, and extra membership discounts, right? So check out all my videos, because I have it all, right? So check it out. For as little as $5 a month, you get 25 to 50% off retail prices of 6,000 plus organic, non-GMO, and sustainable products. So that's half the price off. If you go to Amazon, you find it a little bit more expensive. If you go to Walmart or any other store, you find it a little bit more expensive as well, right? Well, this one actually comes from the warehouse, so we get this. So it gets a lot more discounts. So that means you can save a lot more money by dollars, right? By a lot of more money. It also says carefully created product selection that can be filtered by 70 plus dietary and lifestyle needs. Members only deals, rewards, and free full-size product gifts. So you'll find things like extra gifts every once in a while. You'll find, hey, you know what? If you buy one item, you get second item free. If you waste $10, you get next $10 free and stuff like that. Or guess what? This week we have pick an item, buy something, and you get any of these items for free. So I gotta pay shipping, and it's great. And if you add more items, you get free shipping, which is fantastic, right? You don't want to worry about it. Now this one says try it risk free. Initially you get a 30-day free trial membership, but I mean, you don't want to wait. You can extend it for one. You could just buy the $60 membership. I get credit for it, and you yourself get yourself a free $25 gift plus 25% off, right, from your order. So I mean, it's fantastic. It's great. You'll save a lot more money. Plus, you benefit me of actually doing me the favor of crediting me, right, for showing you this video and for showing you how to eat healthier, and with supporting my channel as well, that I'm gonna keep showing you more videos. Now it says number 2, shop and save guaranteed. It says our members save an average of $32 per order. Plus, if you don't make back your membership fee in savings for the first year, we'll credit you the difference when you renew. No questions asked, right? So Thrive is really lenient with you. It has a blog and has a 24/7 support right here on top, right? So that means if you have any questions, you can ask them. You can always ask me. Leave a comment below, and I'll reply right away. Or you could go to 24/7 support and have a chat site. They'll answer you right away. All right, with any questions. If you join, we give to help make health living accessible for everybody. We match every paid Thrive market membership with a free one for a low-income family, student, teacher, veteran, or first responder. Right. So this means if you buy a membership, you'll be able to help someone who's low income, such as a person who only earns EBT, who doesn't have money, who doesn't have a job, just low income, to get a free membership for Thrive. Right. So I bought a membership. That means next person who could qualify, let's say yourself, who has EBT, could actually get and apply for a free membership, right? Which is a $60 value, completely free for you. Again, you have to qualify, you have to apply, you have to qualify. And if you do, good for you. If you don't worry. You can also go $5 a month after the first 30 days and also benefit from that. All right. It's only $60 plus you'll save a lot of more money. So, I mean, this is completely worth it. $60 a year is fantastic. You know, it's not a lot. It's way less than your phone bill, and it's a lot more healthier than going to your local supermarket, right? Now it says all the rewards, none of the risk. Will give you a full month to try Thrive Market. Again, it's a 30-day risk-free, or just $5 per month, or $60 per year. It also says here what our members have to say. You'll find some blogs, some reviews of what other people say, and it says I've done price comparisons at local stores, which is your local supermarket, and Thrive Market is a lot cheaper, right? Even though it's online. Not by cents, not by dollars. The convenience of reading the ingredients online is priceless, right? So you save a lot of more money, and plus you get a lot of reviews, a lot of ingredients online that you could take your time and check all the specs and ingredients that you'll love, you'll not regret, and you'll learn as you go, right? You learn about any other product that you learn. So it says we subtract the middleman and the savings add up, so that's how they get their money. So there's no other company in between from you and the product itself, right? Again, no low income gets a free membership, but most of you guys will save a lot of percentage of the product itself, or as it is already. $6 a year wouldn't matter, right? I paid it. I benefit a lot. I've been using it for a while. And again, every time you buy something, you accumulate your own money to actually buy the same item again, which is great. You get 25-50% off savings retail. You get $30 off every order. You save an average number of orders to make back with the membership fee is 2. Top quality food, 6,000 plus. Top quality food from home, pet, baby, and personal care products. Amazing. You know, wine. We got supplements, which is mainly the reason why I came here. You could get meat, seafood, which is another amazing thing. You get a lot of great natural products, and let's not forget, you get little scents. You get little things out of the ordinary supermarket store, right? You find natural organic products. And it's 500 plus premium items from Thrive Market Goods, right? Again, you'll get yourself a free gift of $24 value. Just claim the gift. All you gotta do is sign up, and you'll get a free gift. You know, free gift plus shipping. That's great. Our savings guarantee at Thrive Market guarantee annual membership will pay for itself in savings, obviously. So let's say if you buy the apple organic apple cider, right? Or you buy some nuts or some almonds or milk or whatever they have, olive oil. You'll find that if once you get Thrive cashback or you find a discounted price, everything will pay for itself and you'll get a lot more money, right? So it says, for example, if your membership fee was $60 and you only save $40 during the year of the membership, we will actually add $20 cashback, Thrive Cash, to your account after you renew. Oh, you see that? So after you renew, they will give you $20 for free to actually renew your membership and get it only for $40. So Thrive gives a lot of memberships, a lot of discounts, and it's a lot great for you to actually support yourself, friends, family, and most important, your health. All right. So don't forget, use my description down below. I got a link right there. You could just sign up, click on it. It's gonna direct you to a page just like this at Thrive Market. You get started, you sign up, you buy the membership, and I'll get credit for it, and you can start saving a bunch of deals, bunch of items that are already discounted with future more discounts, and just live healthier, right? Again, thanks, subscribe, share the videos, and thanks again.